It's easy to make, but it feels like you've stepped into a smoky jazz bar or an old black and white film. The Sidecar is smooth, citrusy, and just the right amount of fancy. One sip and you're feeling elegant, a little romantic, and definitely like you deserve this. The Sidecar is a brandy cocktail, and it was first created around the time of World War I. As with most cocktails, it's a murky sort of history that nobody knows for sure who created it or where it was created, but the two top stories seem to be that it was created in the New York bar in Paris or it was created in London. I prefer to think it was created in Paris. That seems much more romantic, which suits this drink because it is a very romantic type of cocktail. So, what do we need for today's cocktail? We need brandy, of course, and I'm using St. Remy's Visop brandy, which is made in France. And you need an orange liqueur, and I'm using Cointreau. You could use any triple sec, or you could use an orange curacao. And we need a fresh lemon. Now first, I'm going to make a lemon twist. So I'm just gonna really cut off a bit. And we don't need to have the pith on there, so I'm just gonna cut that off. Doesn't matter if there's a bit on there, but we don't want to make the drink bitter. Okay, I'm just going to trim this up a bit. Looks good, doesn't have to be perfect. I'll just cut that bit off the side. We are going to need some lemon juice, so let's cut the lemon. We need 22.5 mils or 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. First, we need ice in the shaker. Okay, let's put our lemon juice into the shaker. Next, we need 60 mils or 2 ounces of brandy or cognac. Cognac is a brandy. It's just aged in barrels for longer, 4 years minimum. And to be a cognac, it's got to be from the Cognac region in France. And we need 30 mils or 1 ounce of Cointreau. Okay, let's shake. There we go, it's nice and cold. Pre-chilled glass, so you can chill this in your freezer or fridge, or you can fill your glass with crushed ice and just let it chill while you make the cocktail. Now, quite often you will find that for a Sidecar, the glass is rimmed with sugar. Now, I haven't done that because I don't think it needs to be sweeter, but it just depends on your own palate if you like your drink sweeter or not. I find it's just the right balance, without a sugar rim and without any sugar syrup. Cointreau does really add a sweetness to it, so that's why if you're using the orange curacao, you'll need to either put the sugar rim or some sugar syrup. Okay, let's pour. Oh, I love the yellow colour. Okay, so for the lemon twist, I'm just going to express some of the lemon oil over the drink and just run that around the rim. And you can smell that, smells so good. Just give it a little bit of a twist and drop it into the drink, just like that. I'm really loving the yellow colour. That is just beautiful. This is just so lovely. Let's have a taste. This has a very warm and I think sweet flavour. And you can taste the oak coming from the oak barrels which were used to age the brandy. So there you have a Sidecar a very elegant and impressive drink to serve yourself or anyone else you care to. I'm sure they'll just love it because it is really delicious. This is one of my favourites, I think. And I once at a bar convinced everyone at the bar to order a Sidecar. So there was about 9 of us all drinking Sidecars, and it was really, really lovely drink that everybody loved. Have you ever ordered a Sidecar or made a Sidecar? And if you had, what did you think of it? Comment down below. If you'd like more tips and tricks and cocktails like this, then please like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time for another cocktail. Cheers.